Hey, Rob here from supersneaky.com, and we're back to our job in Lancaster, Ontario. This is the very first job that flush mount garage door that I ever installed. House is finished, it looks beautiful. It's been in for 5 years, so we installed it in 2012. And we just came back to do a little maintenance on it. Let's open it up. Oh, there you go. Can't even tell there was a garage door there. Still works smooth and nice. I'm going to close it up. Yeah, this job actually won an architectural award. Let's have a look on the inside. Oh. Yeah, I'm really happy with this job. It's a lot of work, but we've made a lot of improvements since. But you know, the job was a success, and there you go. And it's worked out beautifully. The only thing that I've had to do is we came back, put a little spring tension on it, lubed it up, and that sort of thing. But other than that, it's been working beautifully. It's gone through 5 Canadian winters, so it's holding up. Fantastic. So, okay. Well, if anybody would like us to install a flush mount garage door, check out our website, supersneaky.com. Thank you very much. Over and out.